An active weather afternoon, and we're still not done with ongoing things at this hour. First of all, we'll take a look at some of the ongoing severe thunderstorm warnings, and right now that is for northern sections of Louisa County until 6:45. Torrential rain, wind gust up to 60, and potentially some quarter-size hail. A lot of lightning with these storms. Zoom in a little closer on this area, and we're out toward Cuckoo and Mineral along 522, back along 33. Again, activities pushing off to the east at about 20. Now, still some heavy rain through Fluvanna, back into northern Buckingham County. We'll go a little farther to the north, and these are going to be ongoing for several more hours. A flash flood warning for much of northern Albemarle County. We go a little farther and widen the view, and you can see some of these locations have picked up in excess of 2 to 3 inches of rainfall, and we still have ongoing rain that's still falling in some of these areas. We just saw pictures out of northern Augusta County, and again, a flash flood warning in effect till 7:45, and a broader area of a flood warning that really extends from northern Augusta through southeastern Rockingham and into northern Albemarle until 10 o'clock tonight. Again, some of these areas in excess of 2 to 3 inches of rainfall. Never attempt to cross flooded roadways. So the storm reports will continue to come in. Numerous reports of trees down this afternoon, flooding with these slow-moving storms. There's a look across portions of Augusta County. Now we'll go into Albemarle, and this was the cell that came out of north Augusta County and portions of southeast Rockingham over the Blue Ridge and Skyline Drive into northwestern Albemarle that prompted the tornado warning. We do have some big hail reports. 2-inch hail report from Earlysville. That's basically the size of an egg, so that's pretty big. And again, a lot of trees down in this general area, and that was the area that was under the tornado warning as earlier this afternoon. Now you can see how all this is coalesced with very heavy rain. The storms have picked up a little forward speed, but they're still producing lots of lightning and again, flash flooding potential. And speaking of which, a flash flood watch will remain posted until 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Will likely be reissued for at least some of the area tomorrow because the same ingredients are at play. We're 70 at the airport, still some light rain falling, and right now at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, 67 degrees. Our WeatherBug network, first of all, shows you the site here in downtown Charlottesville at this time. Again, overcast conditions and still some light rain falling at the airport. Over 1 inch and 4/10 of rainfall. We've seen just around a ½ an inch here in downtown Charlottesville, and Weir's Cave at the airport over 2 inches of rainfall. Wider perspective, the showers and thunderstorms this afternoon coming off the mountains, and you can see some of the heavier rain now from Louisa down toward Goochland and head toward the Richmond area. Essentially, a stalled front is at play, and there's energy that rides up along the boundary, and especially when we get the daytime heating, even on an overcast day, it just fuels the fire, if you will, with all this moisture in the air. So ongoing showers and thunderstorms here this evening. Again, that rain will slowly fade away, and then we'll have a lot of clouds to start tomorrow morning, some fog, we'll break out a little bit of sunshine, and then we'll bubble up some more showers and thunderstorms. I do think the chance of rain's a lot lower on Saturday. I think we could still see a few storms, but temperatures will be hotter in the upper 80s to around 90. So showers and thunderstorms here this evening, and even we could have some showers or thunderstorm overnight. Still that heavy rain potential, upper 60s to around 70 with areas of fog. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Still a wet go of things here for Friday, and as we take a look at the weekend, chance of rain's a little lower. Temperatures will come up at or above 90 for many of us, taking us into the weekend. And next week, building heat wave with temperatures expected in the lower 90s. Those heat index values will be up as well, and still we'll run the risk of some afternoon showers and thunderstorms. But an active afternoon here on this Thursday. We're still not out of the woods, and if you live in any of these areas under flood warnings, do not attempt to cross flooded roadways, and watch out if you live in those smaller creeks and streams which will remain out of their banks for a while. Steve and Sharon.
All right, Eric, thank you so much.
We're back in a moment. Stay